How to delete account history on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Further, you will be led to the settings and activity page of Instagram. Here, tap on the account center option you see there, and further under the account settings tab, you will see the option for your information and permissions. So tap on the your information and permissions option you see there, and further tap on the your activity of Meta Technologies option. Now, in the interface that you will then be led to, you will see the option for clear previous activity. So tap on the clear previous activity option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on clear option you see there. Further, when prompted, tap on clear previous activity option you see there, and with this, all your previous activity will be cleared. So this is how you can delete account history on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.